There are several different ways to create holes using SolidWorks. Most holes are created using the Hole Wizard tool. For purposes of this introductory, holes will be created using the Circle and Extrude cut tools. A circle will be created and then cut through the 3D shape. All holes will be simple through holes, that is, they will go completely through the shape. Figure shows the 3D shape created in sample problem SB11. Two 20.0 diameter holes have been added. Click the File tool heading at the top of the screen and click the Open option, or click the Open tool. Locate and click the file created and saved in the last section. Click the file, and click Open. The file will appear on the screen. To draw the block, see the previous lecture of sample problem SB11. Link is given in the description. Click the View Orientation tool and select the Normal to option. This will create a view from an orientation point 90 degrees to the surface. This is called a normal view. Create a sketch plane on the front surface of the block. Then use the Circle tool and add two circles using the given dimensions. Click the Features tab, and the Extruded Cut tool. Set the cut depth for 20. The Cut Extrude tool should automatically select the two circles. If it does not, click the circles. A preview should appear. Click the green OK check mark. Click the drawing screen. The hole should appear in the shape.